Now, to solve this question, we're going to apply the law which states that the angle in the center is what? Twice the angle in the circumference, which means that if this place, if here is 20, here is going to be 40. You get it? If here is 50, here is going to be 100. So I'm going to write it in this format. And here, if you look at this circle geometry, we're looking for x in this question. So we can write it like this. X plus 60 equal to 2 bracket x plus 20. So here now I can say open bracket. If I can open bracket now first. So say s plus 60 equal to 2 times s, 2x, plus 2 times 20, that's what? 40. So from here now I can collect like terms. Now if I want to collect like terms, I'm going to just take this x to this side, then take this 40 to this side. So here will be what? 60 minus 40 equal to 2x minus x. So 60 minus 40 will give us what? 20. Then 2x minus s will give us x. So therefore x is equal to 20. Now, in this question, we are to find all the unknowns, x, y, and z. Now, the first thing I would like to do now, if you look at this line, it is also parallel to this. So I can say that z plus 120 is equal to 180. Sum of interior opposite angles is equals to 180. So we say z plus 120 equal to 180. So from here I can say z is equal to 180 minus 120. Therefore, z is equal to 60. So now I can also say y plus 120 is equals to 180 based on the circumscribed quadrilateral in it's a circle geometry law. Y plus what? 120 is equals to 180. This is the circumscribed quadrilateral, this one. So y plus 120 is equals to 180. So we write like this. Y plus 120 equal to 180. So we can say y equal to 180 minus 120. So y equal to what? 60 also. Then now it's time to get x. To get x now, I can say since here is parallel line and here is a parallel line also, I can say sum of interior opposite angle is equals to 180. So I'll write it like this. X plus y plus 20 equal to 180. Now we've already gotten y at 60. So we say x plus 60 plus 20 equal to 180. So here will be x plus 60 plus 20 is what? 80 equals to what? 180. Then I can say x is equal to what? 180 minus 80. X is therefore equal to 100.